Good afternoon, I'm Reka Delvi and this is Afternoon Report on RBWXTV. The first report today is about floods, high winds destroy homes in Gunung Toar. Heavy overnight downpours caused the Kuantan River in Gunung Toar district to burst its banks on Monday, inundating more than 200 homes in Pertapahan and Toar subdistrict with up to 2 meters of water. The same day, strong winds also hit the two sub-districts at about 3:30 a.m., causing severe damage to 12 homes and moderate damage to another 12 houses. Gunung Toar district head Ahyan Arnovis said no fatalities had been reported so far following the floods and winds that caused panic among local residents. We have yet to calculate the financial losses caused by the disaster, but at least 200 million rupiahs in damages was incurred when the 24 ready-to-harvest fish farms belonging to residents were destroyed by the flood, Ahyan told the Jakarta Post over the phone. He said the Kuantan Singing administration had established emergency response posts in the affected area. The Riau Provincial Administration had also sent emergency aid. Additional aid can also be sent as soon as possible, anytime it's needed, Governor Rusli Zainal said. Dear audience, that's the first news for today. I'll be back soon with some other important news, so stay tuned to RBWX TV.